Some days, Haulover is just angrier than others, and today is one of those days. Welcome back, guys, to Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet, Miami, Florida. And today is going to be an interesting one to see how our captains fare when they step in the ring and try and do battle with the inlet. But let's go ahead and get our competition started, and we'll move into our first round. Our first competitor to step in the ring and try and do battle with the inlet today is going to be a Midnight Express, and here we go, our crew is making their way out. Now this is going to be a real test of our captain's skill as they try and navigate the inlet, because it's an absolutely brutal day here at Haulover, and so far they look pretty good. Our captain's found a good pace that he's comfortable with, the boat seems to be handling it okay, and honestly I'm quite surprised. I expected this to be a little more of a challenge, but let's see how they handle it as they roll out into the heavier rollers. Our crew gets a little air, takes a heavy landing, but they're able to pull through it. Let's go back and take a look at this exit through the BVH Skycam. Here we get a bird's eye view of what it's really like coming out of Haulover on a rough day, and our crew handles it great. They find the correct pace for the boat, just let it go, let the boat do the work. It's gonna be rough no matter what, but they do about as good as you can getting out of the inlet. I'm gonna go ahead and give this first round to the boats. Let's see if the boats can carry that momentum into the second round and try and take another win. And here we're going to feature a Tiara making its way out of Haulover. And here we go, our crew is underway. Now this is a fairly decent sized boat, so it should be able to put up a good fight even in these rough conditions. I mean, you can tell from these images, we've got some massive waves offshore. Let me know in the comments below how big you think the waves are on this day. Video, I'm being honest, never does it justice. Our crew really is battling through this pretty good, but there is one thing I see here I really don't like, and that's this young man on the back of the boat trying to set up lines. I'll tell you what, as a captain, when it's rough out, I just want everybody to take a seat, especially if you're behind me, because I'm not going to be able to see if anything happens, and that is definitely the situation on this. Check this one out from our beach cam and you'll get a better angle of it, but here you'll see they're coming out, but what I don't like is, once again, the kid back here, if something happens, he falls, he goes overboard, in all likelihood, our captain's not even gonna notice it. Even though this crew does make it out through these treacherous conditions okay, I actually think I'm gonna go ahead and give the inlet the win in this one just for that poor call. But here from the beach cam, you really can see just how much this boat's being tossed around from the heavy sea states, just showing you what the captains are having to deal with today. And this will bring us to the third round of our competition, tied at 1 apiece, and here we're going to see the Coast Guard stepping in the ring to try and do battle with Haulover. And here we go, the boys in orange making their way out. At least this one I can explain a little bit. I have a tough time on these days understanding why anybody's going out of the inlet. The Coast Guard, unfortunately for these boys, they're at work and they have to battle these kind of conditions when they occur. And they look pretty good heading out. They've got the boat up on plane, letting the boat do the work, and the boys in orange will make quick, easy work of Haulover Inlet. And here we'll move over to the beach cam so you can kind of get that eye-level view of exactly what it's like for this crew to make its way out, but they're easily going to take a win for the boats here in the third round, and that is going to move the boats up 2-1, which is quite surprising. On a day like today, you think Haulover would be having its way with the boats, but right now, the boats are putting up a heck of a fight as we move into the fourth round of our competition. And here in the fourth round, we're going to feature a beautiful Tiara making its way out of Haulover. Now, Haulover is not the only place to see beautiful boats. As many of you know, the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show is right around the corner, October 26th to the 30th. It's a great chance to get out and see some beautiful boats. And also, we'll be doing a seminar, just like we did last year, in collaboration with the Bahamas Tourism Ministry on how to take your boat to the Bahamas. So if you want to come by and check that out, we'll be at the Convention Center in the seminar room at 4 p.m. on Saturday the 29th. And I don't believe these guys are heading to the Bahamas, but man, I still don't understand why anybody's coming out today. But this crew, once again, another boat looking good doing it, even as they roll out into the heavy rollers, and this boat's going to take a win as well, and somehow the boats are going to take a win in this week's episode of Boats vs. Haulover. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, please check out our other channels. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got the Miami Boat Ramps channel that focuses on all the hilarity that happens to the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.